Let me talk you something. If you are more entertaining by games and television and all these crap than by work, you are weak. If you are not able to stop when you are on Instagram or YouTube that you are telling yourself this is the last one video, you are weak. Success does not come by accident, it comes by work. You must be willing to work more than others, but how do you want to have productive day if already 6 hours of your time is taken by entertainment, by futilities that bring you nothing except the pleasure of the moment? And when you are done, you go back to your life that you don't like. You go back with the guilt of having wasted your times in this life that you want to change, with the feeling of having lost your day. And no one will come to you to give you day again. This day is lost, and in a day, some people give a new twist to their lives. Your one life eludes you, but you are not ready to tell yourself that you won't waste any more time with futilities. You won't letting your life sink into your hands. You fail and then give up to return to your obstructions. And if you are not able to stop this obstruction, you will not be able to work for your goals while collapsing under failures. You cannot realize your dreams. The first smaller failures will be your abandonment, because your mind is weak. Your mind is guided by your body. You are guided by your body, and your body is lazy. That's the problem. You are not able to work more than others because you do not have the discipline and the motivation to force your body to move forward. You are weak, so you are undergoing your life instead of controlling it, of living it truly. So now, take the problem to the root. Change your mind. Change your mindset. Set your goals, set your rules. Take a sheet and a pen and write. Write the rules that you will impose yourself from now. Write these rules that will lead you to success, to your dreams. Write the beginning of this new story that you are going to live because from now you choose to change, to create change. Write that you will never let anyone call you weak again. And then put it on the spot that you look at the most so your mind will understand well that now he is the boss. He is the one who will guide your life, create your way. Write that from now you will not under your life but define it. Write that from now you will learn every day and the first thing you will learn is to entertain yourself properly. The human beings need to be entertaining. But strong humans are entertaining by learning and work instead of being entertaining by futilities. Learn to love what you do to do it all day, all your life. Learn to take work as an entertainment, as something that elevates you, that makes you happy. We live in a sublime world where we are not doomed in our place, to dream our dream instead of living them. We live in a world where we can change judged by passion, by motivation, by discipline and love of life. We can create each day to be better than the previous day. I know you can, so write on this sheet, in your head, in your heart, I'm capable. I can do it, I'm going to do it because I like it, because I don't have other choice, because I want to live my life to the fullest. From now, I won't waste my time because it's valuable. You have to write how much you love yourself, how much you trust yourself and what you can do because you are passionate, because you are strong and motivated. I trust on you, your family trusts on you, your friend trusts on you. So write on this sheet how happy and proud you will make them, how much your success will animate your loved ones. Find all this reason and write them on this sheet. This sheet should be the first thing you see when you get up in the morning and go to bed at night. When you want to start entertaining yourself with useless things, this sheet must be the thing that will bring you back to reality, to work. When you don't want to go to train, you have to think about this sheet, this promise you made with yourself. Think that if now you are going to entertain yourself, you will not keep your one promise. I know you are stronger than that, and you know that because you wrote it on this sheet. I know your dreams are from now your obsessions. I trust on you. So write on this sheet your rules of life from now, the path you will follow for all people that you have written on this sheet.